¿Qué lo que mi gente? Today I'm going to be doing a avocado hair mask. My hair has been feeling a little dry lately, and I just need like a little bit of a treatment or whatever. My hairline is trying to grow back in. Yeah, and I'm not gonna do the whole cutting it up and blending it up, pureeing it and stuff like that. I literally went to the supermarket and bought some that was already like that, and I was like, oh, life changing. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. What else? Because I have many things to tell you guys. I'm going to add some warm avocado oil in it, being as though I'm using this as a mask, and letting it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. We'll see what the results will be afterwards. I'm not gonna curl it up because in the wintertime, I particularly do anything that's like low manipulation when it comes to the elements and stuff like that. Right now, today is raining, and I really don't like the rain, so I'm definitely not gonna have my hair out any type of way. Yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Estoy aquí con otro video. Vamos a comenzar. I'm going to be putting this DIY onto freshly washed hair because I feel like it'll take a lot easier, a lot better in that way, because your hair doesn't have any product buildup on it at that point, and you're just pretty much applying this good old mask on, and it should give you better results, like once you wash it out after the 30 minutes, etc. So
we're gonna do that.
Okay guys, so I'm coming at you with freshly washed hair, and I've already added my avocado oil to the avocado paste. As you can see, I don't know, that's okay. Anyway, it's the avocado paste. I already added the avocado oil to it, and I'm about to apply that to this freshly washed hair. We're gonna see the results to it.
Why am I so light?
We're gonna see the results of it afterwards. Yeah, let's get it all back to where it needs to be. This stuff smells good, by the way. I don't know if they have other like little things in there ingredients wise, but it's like, do it like that. Start applying it to the hair, and I can admit, like, it's super smooth, but it also still has like little chunks, I guess, in it or whatever, because it's technically made for people to eat, so that means I'm gonna have to like really rinse my hair like super thorough just to kind of get it out and make sure I don't have things. So you see how like little stuff is dropping. I'm gonna have to sweep too.
So, yay.
Put more of this in another part. I'm not really sectioning it off too much because there's a lot of this, and I'm just gonna basically have it to where my hair is kind of saturated with it. Whatever falls, I just find it later and kind of make up for it. I do want to find like a real paste because I don't like things to be too thin to the point to where it's not like like a thick conditioner type feeling in the hair. I really should do this over the sink, and I think I am going to do it over the sink because I really truly do not want all of this all over the place. So
Be back.
okay, I'm back. It's all in, and I think all I have to really do is take like a stocking cap or something like that, and then like pour it through it and like kind of just get like all of the gooiness versus the little chunks that's in there as well. It feels good in my hair. Like when I was massaging it through with you know, my hands over the sink and stuff like that. Little chunks was coming out, but it's like overall it feels really good in my scalp, like in my hair. And I have to leave this in for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out, but I'm going to use the steam from the shower to kind of like, you know, open up my cuticle more, and then I'll wash it out, and then, you know, we'll see the finished results.
I'm probably gonna take it out with me because, you know, at the end of the day, you know, we close like that. So, you know, I'm just gonna take it to the shower with me and, you know,
let that steam do what it gotta do, get clean at the same time, and then come and finish everything up and close this out. So I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes, and then, you know, off to the shower we go. I know y'all couldn't wait for me to get out the shower, but it's time to wash this out now and give you guys the results of it. I poked holes inside of the bag so that when the steam comes up from the shower, it's able to get more into the, you know, into my hair or whatever. So I did that. I didn't show you guys that. I just felt like, okay, I'll just tell them, and then, you know, you guys know. So it's about time to take this off now, wash it out, and I'll show you guys finished results. Be back. Okay, I'm back. I feel like I'm all over the place in this video. I'm just, you know, trying to like get some excess water. I don't know how to say that word really. I wing it. Trying to get some excess water out of my hair so that, you know, I won't be dripping all over the place. And then, like, I'm pretty sure there's still like little particles of avocado in my hair. Like, I even see like maybe little pieces of it falling. But for the most part, my hair, it feels nice or whatever when I touch it. It doesn't feel like dry or anything like that, even though it is wet. But you know what I mean. It feels like hydrated, besides the saturation of water. And you see like little stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. Like, it's still little things. So with a little bit of a, just kind of teasing it out, letting it drop or whatever, more and more of it will come out. But yeah, my hair, I don't know, it feels like super healthy. Recommendations for this DIY, I do recommend for people to do it once to twice a month at most, because you don't want like protein overload or something like that. I know people who, if they have like protein sensitive hair, you know, you probably want to like minimize that to, you know, once every couple months or so, because you don't want your hair to react in a negative way towards, you know, what you're doing. But my hair feels soft. Like, my hair is like, it's damp, but like it really feels soft. So what I'm gonna do is, before I even go into that, when you do an avocado hair mask, it's not absolutely necessary to do a deep conditioner, because you pretty much just did that with the mask. So you can skip the whole deep condition part of your wash routine for this particular DIY, and just go in and do whatever you normally would do. Like, you put your leave-in conditioners in, your leave-in conditioner in, maybe a curling cream or something like that, depending on how you like to wear your hair, and then also just sealing it with a nice oil. I used avocado oil this time, which is like really, really good. And I have a pretty big bottle, so I don't know why my lips feel so dry. I have a pretty big bottle, and I'm gonna have it for a while. You know, I'm gonna be utilizing that once I either run out of another one or something of that, but I'm going to keep incorporating it into my deep conditioners and stuff like that. So even though I'm not going to do the avocado again probably until like next month. I'm still going to be putting the avocado oil inside of my deep conditioner that I would use on a regular wash day. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more, hair videos. I'm going to basically, make some more hair videos and stuff like that. Maybe a couple of tutorials or whatever the case is. Whatever you guys like. Be sure to give me details on what exactly you want to see. If you guys need information about a particular thing dealing with your skin, your health, or your hair, I'm your guy. Just throw it in the comments, and I read all the comments. I make it my business to respond to everyone in a timely fashion. And yeah, let's get it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.